Tired of complicated marketing platforms? Today, we're diving into Aisensy and making campaign setup a breeze. First, log into your Aisensy account and click on the Campaigns tab in the main navigation menu. This is your control center for all things marketing. Next, you'll see a Create Campaign button, usually located prominently at the top right. Click it to start building your campaign. Now, give your campaign a descriptive name. This helps you easily identify it later, for example, summer sale promotion or new product launch. Scroll down to the targeting options section. Here's where you define your ideal audience. Aisensy lets you target based on demographics like age and gender, location, and even specific interests. Then schedule your campaign, set start and end dates to control when your campaign runs, and even set up recurring schedules for ongoing promotions. Now for the fun part, the content. In the campaign content section, craft your message, add eye-catching images, and include compelling call to action buttons. Finally, carefully review all your settings, then hit review and launch. Confirm your campaign. And congratulations, your campaign is live and ready to generate results.